Hi, I'm Giorgio. I love music. I play drums, and in my bedroom there's my own electric drum set. Lately, I've been trying to learn some guitar, and my dad is teaching me. It's going well. I'm liking it, and I think I will continue. I've tried many sports. Right now, I'm doing boxing, and I'm really liking it. It's been 3 years since I started, and I also enjoy cooking, and I'm pretty good at it. And I could teach you some Italian recipes and learn some American ones. It would be nice to tell you about Italy and hear something about the States, having some experiences there, because what we hear here in Italy is not always the truth, is not always credible. So it would be better to have a direct experience. I think that's it, so thank you for watching, and I hope to meet you soon.